Come here, buddy. There we go. Heck yes. Old bandito bug right in the eye. Yep. He's going on our TourneyX. 12-inch minimum. We got it. I believe. I believe he's gonna go 12 1/4. Oh, 13. Oh yeah. There we go, baby. Thank the Lord, baby. Oh, we're gonna go 15. Oh, bandito bug. $14 3/4. Where was your fight at? You look retarded, bro. This fish got coronavirus. Alright. Thanks, fella. Pulled it out of his mouth. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh, bandito bug. Chunk. We moved up to 4th in our online tournament. I appreciate y'all for sticking around, man. Yeah, the key tactic right now, I think it's March 12th. Yeah, 12th. I'd say it's throwing a bandito bug, maybe 4 or 5, 6 foot off the bank with a weight on it, bullet weight or however you prefer. And you should be tearing up some bass too. Appreciate y'all for watching. Leave a sub and share it. Thank you. I'll see y'all in the next one.